5 for the rotational review, I'm going to start right over here. So this is just a simple order of operations. So for this one, I'm going to start first with the parentheses. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses, 5 minus 3 is 2. And then I'm going to go straight to exponents. So since I'm a little bit out of room, I'm just going to kind of work through it. So 2 cubed, that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So I'm going to have, well, 4 squared, that's 16. So 16 plus 3, we got 8 here, minus 11. And then we're going to have 3 times 8, that's going to give us 24. So I'm going to have 16 plus 24. For sake of room, I'm just going to do this. So then adding that up together, that's going to give me 40. Minus 11, that's going to give us 29, right? I think that should be it. Okay, now for this next one, go inside. 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. Okay, and then 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 5, that's negative 45. So 50 minus 45 is 5. Now for this one, we're plugging it in for there. It's important to remember that you need to put parentheses around the number that you're plugging in. So I'm going to rewrite it. So 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 squared plus 7. So 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is negative 18. Plus 7. So 27 minus 18, that's going to give us 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, now negative 3, I'm just going to go up here and put negative 3 in there and do the work here. So negative 3 now, that means negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. 9 times negative 3 again is negative 27. Negative 3 squared, that's going to be positive 9 again, so it's going to give us negative 18. Plus 7. So what changed is that negative 27. So negative 27 and negative 18. So 8 and 7 give us 5. So negative 45 plus 7. And then that's going to be negative 38. Okay, now this one, if I'm going to plug in negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. Negative 1 squared, that's positive 1, times negative 2 is negative 2, plus 7. That's going to give us negative 3. Negative 3 plus 7 is 4. Okay, now here they wanted you to make an equation, and then with that equation, they wanted you to give a scenario of weeks and money and hundreds of dollars. Okay, so here we're starting at negative 800, so y equals, our slope is going up 5 over 1, but it's in hundreds, so we're going up 500 for every week, and we started at negative 800. So your scenario could be, you owe your mom and dad $800 and you're going to pay them off $500 every week. Okay, now for this one, I'm going to go through and distribute. Here we're just solving. So if we distribute the 2, we're going to have x plus 2x minus 14 plus 6 equals negative 11. 2 and 1, that's going to give us 3x minus 8 equals negative 11. Add 8 over, it's going to give us 3x equals negative 3, so x is going to equal negative 1. For this one, I'm going to distribute the negative 5 through, so 2x minus 5x minus 30 equals x plus 7. Combine those, that's negative 3x minus 30. I'm going to add x over, so that's 4x minus a 7, it's negative 37. Divide by 4, so then x equals negative 37 fourths. Okay, here, distribute the 3 through. I'm going to do it over here. 6 minus 12x equals, negative 4 minus 10x. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this over, so 2x will be on this side. Add 4 over, so that's going to be 10. If I divide that by 2, x is going to equal 5. Okay, now for these ones, they asked you to graph them to decide how many solutions there are. So I'm just going to kind of go through, you guys know how to graph. get into mx plus b. Graph the left side, graph the right side. I'm just going to show you how you would start it. So first we would distribute the 3. We have 3x plus 2 equals 3x minus 3 plus 5. Negative 3 and 5, that's going to give us positive 2. So the left and the right side are the same. That means that this line is going to look exactly like that line. So you've got a graph right on top of each other. So then this is infinite. Infinite solutions. Okay, now for this one, let's distribute the 2. This one, 2 minus 2x. Okay, the slopes are the same, and the y-intercepts are different. So they're going to be parallel, so they're never going to cross. So that would make it no solution. In here, they already have it simplified, and you can look right away and see that the slopes are different. So that means you will have one solution. And that's it. So that's the whole rotational review. If you need help, come on in and get some more help. Other than that, you should go through and study these to get ready for the quiz. Good luck.